Hello and welcome. I'm Jennifer, your safety trainer here with today's lesson, Reciprocating Saw Safety. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. A reciprocal saw, sometimes known as a sawzall, has a blade that cuts by moving back and forth through the workpiece. It's used by plumbers, electricians, and others who work in construction. Because it's a power tool, it makes sawing projects go a lot quicker. However, that also means that the reciprocating saw can be more dangerous. This lesson will mainly focus on preparation, operating the saw safely, and maintenance. Any tool, especially power tools, inherently have hazards associated with their use. It's important to prepare yourself to use your reciprocating saw each time you use it to avoid injury on the job. Some simple ways to prepare yourself may include, but are not limited to: choose the correct blade. Using an incorrect blade could cause binding, which could cause operator injury. Generally, you should use coarser blades for wood and finer blades for metal. Read the operator's manual and all of the instructions. Remove all jewelry that could get caught in the reciprocating saw. Roll up or tie back loose clothing that could get caught in the saw. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit. Cluttered and dark areas cause accidents. If you're using an extension cord to power the reciprocating saw, be sure it's strong enough for the power needed and be careful not to trip over or tangle the extension cord. And lastly, inspect the saw before you begin using it to make sure nothing is cracked, broken, or frayed.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.